Hello everyone, welcome back to Hotspot YouTube channel. You know guys that it is recommended to personalize your login password to ensure that your mobile phone hotspot is safe from unauthorized access. And before you begin, take a note of the following: that you can either use a computer or mobile device such as tablet or mobile phone to connect to the Wi-Fi of the mobile phone hotspot. So now I'm gonna show you how to change password of Hotspot on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing first, you have to go to settings menu. And then you can go to Hotspot and tethering and go to Hotspot setting. So now you can tap on password and you can change the password as you want. And make sure to change your password with a strong password like this. You can give any character or number, and then if you are finished you can click OK and you're done. So here's the tutorial on how to change password of hotspot on Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.